Hello guys, today we gather here to embark on a captivating journey into the realm of Photoshop color grading. In this tutorial, we will explore the art of enhancing and manipulating colors to evoke emotions, set moods, and bring our images to life like never before. So, let's start from the beginning of basics of color grading. Firstly, brightness and contrast in photography is the key to illuminating your image and enhancing the visual impact. So, first we can look up for it. Curves in photo editing are a powerful tool that allows you to fine-tune the brightness, contrast, and tonal range of your images, unlocking endless possibilities for creative expression. So, let's tune curves for more efficiently in this image. And also, exposure in photography is the fundamental element that determines the amount of light captured by your camera, resulting in well-balanced and properly lit images. Vibrance in Photoshop is a fantastic feature that enhances the intensity and richness of colors in your images, creating a vibrant and lively visual experience that truly captivates in view. Saturation in Photoshop is a valuable tool for controlling the intensity and vividness of colors in your image. It allows you to add or reduce color saturation, giving you the ability to create vibrant, eye-catching visuals or achieve a more subdued and muted aesthetic, depending on your creative vision. Comment below if you want a video on difference between vibrance and saturation. There is more settings in this panel and you can test these settings for your image and get more knowledge about these settings. I hope to bring more videos about these settings in Adobe Photoshop. At last, to reduce some noises in this image, we can add blur effect. Please use Gaussian blur for it. You can find it in blur section on filter panel. I advise as an experienced person in Adobe Photoshop, don't use much it. If you use much, the image will get unclear. As we come to the end of this accelerating Photoshop color grading tutorial, we have journeyed together through the realms of color manipulation and artistic expression. We have explored the magic of basics, enhancing colors, adjusting contrast, and crafting visual narratives that evoke emotion and transport us to new realms. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. May your creative pursuit continue to shine brightly as you master the art of the Photoshop. So, I sign out. I'm Prasan Chamut. Have a nice day.